Everybody, we're getting ready to play a game, and this game is called Name That Sound. I want to see if you can tell me the name of the instrument that you hear. Are you ready? Now, I got my headphones on to help me out a little bit. Put your headphones on. It's time to name that sound. All right, here we go. All right, no peeking, no peeking. Let's go. All right, what do you think that is? Come on, guess, tell me. I think you might be right. Let's go check it out. The violin is a string instrument. It is in the family with other instruments like the cello, the viola, and the double bass. It is a wood hollow body instrument, and it's played by sliding a bow across the strings. It is a high-pitched instrument. It is actually the highest sounding in its family. Hey guys, this is a violin. Violin, amazing? All right, you know I got another one up my sleeve. Are you ready for this one? Here we go. Okay, what instrument is that? Can anybody tell me? Come on. That's good. It's really good. Come on, let's see. The piano is an acoustic string instrument. It is played by the hammers striking the strings inside the piano. It has a protective wood casing surrounding the sounding board, which houses the metal strings. Now, many would say that the piano is a percussion instrument because of the hammers. Well, what do I say? I don't care. I just love this instrument. This thing is huge. It's so heavy. Okay, I think we're ready for another one. Oh! Can you tell me what it is? I heard some of you say it. What about you? What about you? Can you hear? What is it? Let's go find out. The flute is in a group of instruments called the woodwinds. The sound is created by blowing air over the air hole or the opening. Other instruments in this family include the clarinet, the oboe, and the saxophone. Although it's a woodwind instrument, it doesn't use a wooden reed like the others. Oh, the sweet sound of a flute. What do you guys think? Yeah, one more. Let's see if I can get you with this one. I think I'm going to be able to stump you with this one. Let's see. Wait, you got it already? Well, let's go find out if you're right. The guitar is another string instrument. It has a fretboard, and it also has 6 strings. You play the guitar by using both hands, one for strumming and the other one for holding down the strings on the fretboard. This sound is also projected by an air hole that's in the body of a guitar. Hey, you guys have seen this guitar somewhere. I wonder where. Hey, you guys are so smart. Hey, guess we're finished. It's time to go. But before we do, let's talk about all of the fun we had and everything we learned in the bloom. In the bloom. In the bloom. Rhapsody in bloom.